finally decided to get myself a drawing tablet. The one I have here is the Artist XP PEN 22E Pro. I looked around online at other options and screen sizes and different brands. They've got a couple of name brand ones, but they're 2 to 3 times the price of this. And I didn't think that I should spend that much money on my first drawing tablet because, you know, I'm just starting out. I figured it'd be better to just get something that's more budget friendly and something with a larger screen. So I had fun with this. I spent a few hours kind of doodling some random things, trying to figure out how the different brushes and pens and everything work in it. I had no idea what to draw. I just picked a random brush and I started drawing. And the one I picked, I think it was from, it's like a glass dip pen. And when I'm drawing with it, if you get close to other lines, it kind of attaches lines together. And this is one I really like using. I want to do some black and white abstract, like doodly type of art with it, and see what some other things are that I can make. I'm curious to see what type of portraits I could draw with this. It would probably be a type of abstract portrait or something, but I've got a whole bunch of people that I'm going to be drawing. I've got a whole folder of people, and it's going to be a lot of work, but it's really fun. I mean, I get drawings done so much faster with this than what I do with, you know, pen on paper. And it felt like I was working on this drawing for 6 hours, and it was 45 minutes, and I was pretty much done. So I just went ahead and spent another 15 minutes to make an hour, and just added some final details. But it was really fun to do, and there's a lot of different tools in it. There's a lot of, you know, there's so much I have to learn getting started, and it's very different from the feel of when I'm drawing on paper, because with paper and, you know, all the traditional art, there's a lot of feedback from when you're drawing in the surface. And the thing I do like about this drawing tablet is that it does have a little bit of texture to the surface, just a little bit. It has like a matte finish to the surface. It's the film protector that's on the screen, and it gives you a little bit of texture so that when you're drawing, it kind of feels a lot like how it would feel if you were drawing on a piece of paper. And it's kind of like if you were to be using a hard lead pencil. That's kind of how it feels. And I'm still not really sure what this doodle is. It's kind of like a big abstract splash of milk or something. I'm not even sure. I was mostly just experimenting because I wasn't really sure what to draw with it. And so I just kind of kept making swirly lines and splashes like stuff. And later on in the drawing, as I was doing it, I experimented with some different brushes, and I got the airbrush. And as I was doing it, I realized that I probably should have used the airbrush first and got the background in and then added this, but it's no big deal. At least the next time when I'm doing a drawing, I'll know to, you know, do the background first. Kind of like how when you're doing painting with oil or acrylic or watercolor, you always want to paint the background first, move from the back, and then from the background, and then move towards drawing and painting things that are closer to you. It makes it a lot easier, and it won't take so long to try to work around all the little details that you've already drawn and put there. The program that I'm using here is called Krita. It's the best free drawing program I could find online. I'll leave a link in the description of this video so you can find that. I'll also leave a link for this drawing tablet that I bought online. I also applied a 10% off coupon to it. I think the coupon might still be available. If so, I'll try to leave a link in the description of the video as well. But I really had fun doing this, and I look forward to doing a lot more of these digital art drawings and trying to do, you know, some character designs and really expanding my artistic abilities and seeing what I can create. But overall, I really like this drawing tablet, and I'm gonna have a lot of fun with it. Thank you all for watching and have a good day.